Aort Stock Analysis, July 2025. Introduction. Welcome to the channel. With every purchase you make, you're helping support a girl's education. Today, we're diving into the performance of Aort on the NYSE, with data up to July 9, 2025. This stock has shown some explosive moves recently, and we'll break down the technicals, trends, and what they could mean for Aort's future. Let's get into it. Opening price context on July 9, 2025, Aort closed at $32.15, a strong finish after hitting a high of $32.26 and opening at $30.70. This marks a significant 37.7% gain from its April low of $22.53, with a notable spike in May driven by high volume. But is this rally sustainable, or are we nearing a potential pullback? Let's dive into the technicals to find out. Trend analysis. Aort is trading well above its key moving averages, confirming a strong bullish trend. The 5-day SMA is at $30.91, the 10-day SMA at $30.88, the 20-day SMA at $30.22, and the 50-day SMA at $29.99. The exponential moving averages align similarly, with the 5-day EMA at $31.12, 10-day EMA at $30.84, and 20-day EMA at $30.32. These indicators show Aort's short-term strength is intact, with consistent upward momentum since mid-April. Volatility and price action. Volatility has been a defining feature of Aort's recent run, with the 14-day average true range ATR at 74 cents, indicating notable daily price swings. We saw a massive breakout on May 6, with a high of $27.84 and a volume of 2.66 million shares, pushing the stock to close at $27.42. Another surge occurred on July 9, with 461,728 shares traded, testing resistance around $32.26. Support sits near $30.06, close to the VWAP, while resistance at $32.26 to $32.50 remains a key level to watch. Momentum indicators. Momentum is strong but showing signs of caution. The 14-day RSI is at 69.90, approaching overbought territory, suggesting potential for a near-term pause. The MACD is bullish, with the MACD line at 0.78 above the signal line at 0.81, though the narrowing histogram, minus 0.03, indicates momentum may be slowing. The Aort oscillator at 100, with a run up at 100 and a run down at 36, confirms bullishness, as Aort continues to hit new highs. Support and resistance levels. Let's look at support and resistance. The Bollinger Bands place the upper band at $31.54 and the lower band at $28.91, with the middle band, 20-day SMA, at $30.22. Aort's close at $32.15 is above the upper band, signaling strength, but also potential overextension. The parabolic SCR at $28.07 supports the bullish trend, sitting well below the current price. Key support lies around $30.06 to $30.22, near the VWAP and 20-day SMA, with resistance at the recent high of $32.26. Volume and money flow. Volume trends are robust, with on-balance volume, OBV, climbing to 6.05 million by July 9, reflecting steady accumulation. The Money Flow Index, MFI, at 66.05 indicates healthy buying pressure, but is not yet overbought. The Chaikin oscillator at 166,381 shows recent buying interest, though earlier sessions like June 13 with a negative value of minus 180,315 suggest occasional distribution. This mixed signal means traders should stay alert for shifts in sentiment. Stochastic and other oscillators. The 5-day stochastic K is at 49.79, with stochastic D at 33.82, indicating neutral momentum with room to climb. The Williams percent are at minus 3.97 is close to overbought, hinting at a possible short-term reversal. The ultimate oscillator at 57.60 suggests balanced momentum, supporting the bullish trend without extreme readings. The Commodity Channel Index, CCI, at 123.88 confirms upward pressure, but warns of potential overextension. Interesting insight, here's something fascinating. Aort's volume surged to 2.66 million shares on May 6, coinciding with a 15.3% jump to $27.42, and again to 925,374 shares on May 7, pushing the stock to $28.38. These high-volume breakouts, combined with the run-up at 100, suggest strong institutional buying. However, the RSI nearing 70 and the stock's position above the Bollinger Bands indicate speculative fervor, which could lead to a healthy pullback to test support around $30.06. Conclusion: what's the outlook for Aort? The technicals paint a strongly bullish picture, with moving averages, volume, and momentum indicators all pointing upward. However, the RSI and MFI approaching overbought levels, along with the stock's position above the Bollinger Bands, suggest a potential short-term pullback to the $30.06 to $30.22 support zone. Long-term investors may see this as a solid uptrend, but short-term traders might wait for a dip to enter. As always, manage your risk and monitor market catalysts closely. Call to action: what do you think about Aort's rally? Are you riding the wave or waiting for a pullback? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stock analysis. Your support helps fund a girl's education, so thank you for watching. Until next time, trade smart.